Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Ducati Streetfighter V4S. So here it is, it's a 2020 on a 70 plate, 8,544 miles. And as you can see, absolute stunning bike, finished in this gorgeous Nero black colour scheme, covered in extras. The amount of money that has been spent on this is absolutely ridiculous. So your main attractions are of course that full Akrapovic exhaust with matching upmap. You've got carbon fibre all over the bike, the heat shield, the hugger, absolutely everywhere. Single seat unit with the integrated tail lights on the back, tail tidy as well. Obviously, then you've got the standard spec, which is absurd too. So colour TFT display, adjustable traction control, adjustable wheelie control. You've got the quick shifter, auto blipper, Ohlins front and rear suspension. You've obviously got the Marchesini wheels too, and them gorgeous winglets. Super aggressive styling, lovely bike. They are absolute mega bits of kit. If you are interested though, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.